Hello, today we learn to look ahead. It means to think or plan for the future.
We look ahead to our holiday.
Anticipation,
We look ahead to our holiday.
it's wise to look ahead and save money. Planning, it's wise to look ahead and save money.
Always look ahead when you drive.
Literal meaning,
Always look ahead when you drive.
A good leader must look ahead.
strategic thinking,
A good leader must look ahead.
it's time to look ahead, not back. Focus on the future. It's time to look ahead, not back. Let's repeat and remember. To look ahead is planning, anticipation, literal meaning, strategic thinking, focus on the future. So, to look ahead is to think about your future. Thank you.